Hey guys, Mike and Darren coming at you from beautiful Vancouver, Canada. We're reaching out today because I wanted to share something with you. This is where we live. We work from here. This is where we have our morning coffee. We sit out here and meditate. This is what is possible. This was our dream. I started working online about 9 years ago, and 3 years ago I met Mike, and a couple years ago he decided to join me working online so that we could travel together and
basically control our own freedom. For me, the story was totally different. 15 years of corporate work. I was in sales and marketing, traveling all around. I had a huge sales territory. I had a sales base that it was worth millions of dollars that I was responsible for. There was huge pressure, but I never owned my own time. I was traveling on the weekends to get to where I had to be in order to meet my clients on Monday mornings, and it was impossible to have any real relationships with my friends or family. So when I met Darren and saw that things could be different, it was a huge eye-opener. And 9 years ago, Darren had a mentor that showed him the same thing, right?
Yep.
So it's so critical that we have mentors in our life, because you need somebody to suddenly create a wake-up call for you that says, whoa, wait a minute, that person's doing something totally different than I am. And that's so critical. For Darren, that was the point that he changed his life, and Darren did the same thing for me 3 years ago. And I'll tell you, at that point, we got out of the 9-to-5 system. And for those of you who are worried about where the next paycheck's coming from, or whether that next paycheck is going to be enough to pay for the meals or the bills and hopefully do something fun with the kids, it's time for change, because your boss isn't going to start suddenly paying you twice as much tomorrow. I can promise you that. Until you take control of your own destiny, start working for yourself, you can't have the things that you want the most of in life, number one of which is time. So
Freedom.
If you're ready to start taking control of your destiny, click on the link above. What we're doing is we're offering people free online workshops where we're actually showing them what's involved in working online. Because I know so many of you have always been curious about it, and you're wondering whether or not it'd be a good fit for you. And frankly, it scares the heck out of you too. So the workshop's totally free. And what we're doing is we're taking an hour of your time up. We're going to show you what's involved, how it works, and let you decide whether or not you're actually interested. And then if you are interested, then let's start a conversation, and we can actually start working together.
Yep. And if you have more questions, feel free to reach out. You can add us on Facebook, you can message us, you can comment on the video below. Any way you want to contact us, however you're comfortable.
Yeah. We're real people, and we're here to help. We're actually looking to genuinely help. We had so many friends over the years who asked us, how can I do what you're doing? How can I change my life? How can I get out of this 9-to-5 system that's not working for me? How can I do different? And what we've done now is we've teamed up with some of the biggest names in the online world, and we've created this incredible system that is so simple and easy and great to get into for anybody. We've got people from all over the world now who are doing this. The only difference is that they took that leap of faith in themselves, and they had the courage to give this one thing to themselves where they said, I'm ready to do different. And they are.
They clicked on the link above, registered for the webinar, they came to the webinar, you have to attend it, and they made a change.
That's it. So if you guys are ready, let's do this together, and let's make some things happen, all right? Click on the link above, achievefreedom.today. I hope to hear from you soon. Bye, guys.
Bye.